manufacturing, 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 manufacturing,
manufactured, manufactures.
Noun. 1,
The organized action of making of goods and services for sale.
2,
The act of making something, a product, from raw materials.
verb,
1,
Put together out of components or parts.
2,
Make up something artificial or untrue.
listen and practice.
An improvement in the manufacture of explosives. An improvement in the manufacture of explosives. The manufacture of nuclear weapons. The manufacture of nuclear weapons. Management headquarters for manufacturing in China. Management headquarters for manufacturing in China.
manufacturing.